High, high above the world, where the sky turned soft and dark, lived Starry, a little twinkling star. Starry loved to shine, but tonight he felt so sleepy. Yawn, said Starry. I think I need a friend to help me rest. Just then, Puffy, a gentle cloud, drifted by. Hello, Starry, Puffy whispered. Why do you look so tired? I want to sleep, sighed Starry, but I'm afraid the sky will be too quiet without my twinkle. Puffy thought for a moment. Don't worry, he said kindly. I'll sing for you. So Puffy began to hum, soft and low. Shh, hmm. Starry snuggled into Puffy's fluff, listening to the gentle song. Slowly, his glow grew softer, like a nightlight fading. Down on Earth, Luna the bunny hopped into the grass and looked up. She saw Starry's light getting smaller and smaller. Good night, Starry, she called. She waved her tiny paw. Starry smiled. Puffy rocked him gently, back and forth, back and forth. Soon, Starry closed his eyes. The sky grew quiet. The world grew still. And Starry drifted into the sweetest dream. From that night on, whenever Starry felt tired, Puffy was always there, ready to sing, ready to rock. And Luna was always below, whispering, Good night, my star. And if you listen closely, you might hear it too. Hmm. Shh, shh, hmm. Good night, tiny dreamer.